Hello everyone, this is Alexander TV, and in this video I'll see what happens if I apply flux on a toothpick and then burn it. Alright, so let's begin by getting the flux. Alright, also don't do this at home, or do if you want to, just be careful. Make sure I'm applying the flux onto here. Good generous amount of flux. I'm going to take my soldering iron, apply a bit more solder onto it. Now let's see what's going to happen. I've got this cup of water. So it's causing the wood to burn a bit. But I don't see anything terribly interesting. Seems like the wood's burning easier. Well, I think that'll be the end of that experiment. Alright, so thanks for watching. Goodbye.